Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming with another cool product. We reviewed a number of these products from the company Nanuk.com. That's Nanuk.com. This is their 920 case with a special foam insert that's designed for the DJI Mavic drone. It comes in several different colors. This one happens to come in orange. And you can order these up to not only use them for maybe your cameras or other different accessories, you can also get these for some of your drones so you can protect them when you travel, keep them waterproof and safe and all that good stuff. So really cool products they take and make here. The case in and of itself is heavy duty. It weighs 5.1 pounds empty. And basically it will give you material that's made of lightweight NK-7 resin. That's a trademark material that they take and use with this. The max buoyancy is 40 pounds, and you can use this as an airline carry-on, and it's water resistant with a conditional lifetime guarantee. This thing is super feature rich. It's got a power claw latching system that helps lock your claws so they don't accidentally come open. It's got a waterproof IP67 rating, impact resistant, resin padlockable. You can put padlock things on each ends of these so you can keep it from being open. It's got cube foam accessories you can get in addition to it, padded dividers, aluminum waterproof panel kit, Lexan waterproof panel kit, and you can even have custom services like printing, a foam interior, custom panels, custom labels put on these babies. Nanuk thinks of everything. Anyway, I highly recommend their products. Be sure to check them out. Go to their website at nanuk.com and check out the 920 cases and all the other ones reviewed from them as well.
Oh my gosh, look what's in this box. I'd love to show you, but first you've got to subscribe, like the channel, and get notifications for your mobile thing. And then you can see what's inside boxes like these as we unbox the latest technology for you. Be sure to check it out. Oh, wow, that's pretty. See you next time. Or click any of these videos. Either way. Got to find out what's in the box.